SICK continues to focus on the three main segmentations of the industry sectors: the factory automation, logistics automation and process automation. Each one has an emphasis in its own right, because each are totally so different. So the emphasis is particularly related to the individual segment and not the three as a whole. I think that the industry focus on each of those individual segments will actually increase. They may not increase at the same proportion over time. It generally will depend on a number of things. One is the innovation and technology innovation of the product development for each of those industry sectors, as well as the development of individual solutions for each of those industry segments. SICK has developed over time a lifetime services sector of our structure. This has particularly been set up to enable us to provide a high level of service to the logistics automation sector. That means that we have service technicians available 24 hours, 7 days a week, enable us to totally not only install the product, service the product, but totally maintain a total service into the logistics automation sectors, particularly related to the airport sectors, port sectors, and also the freight handling and express post areas. Yeah, SICK actually welcomes that move that enables safety specialists like SICK who can provide not only a total product offering for machine guarding and personnel guarding in the production areas, but also then enable us to do safety walkthroughs. So for the end user's factory or manufacturing facilities, we're able then to identify with the end user the possible risks associated with each of those safety issues, and then also to recommend and provide a particular solution. So SICK actually takes that responsibility on board now, and in the future we will continue to develop that as a clear service offering, part of our lifetime services structure. Yeah, SICK, part of SICK's core mission and vision of independence, innovation and leadership. Innovation is one of those core mission statements. SICK has grown up as in a company where the founder was an inventor, and an inventor totally means that you're continually looking and striving for innovation. With the constant development of technology products and innovative solutions to industry sectors, this will only continue to enhance SICK's commitment to providing individual tailored solutions and technology enhancements for each of those industry sectors.